Hello and welcome to Bose Garage. In today's video, we are talking about a safety aspect, the seat belts. We all know that majority of the old vehicles, be it the Mahindra Jeeps, the Ambassadors or the Fiats, they don't have seat belts, or they had at a time but we never bothered to use them. Because as per a rule, it was only mandatory to wear seat belts if you are driving a car made after 2002 or 2003. But it was not actually right, because there was a ruling from the central government that all cars manufactured on or after 25 March 1994 should be equipped with front seat belts from the factory. Most of the manufacturers followed it, some of them followed it after a few months delay. For example, if you take the case of a Mahindra Jeep, they started fixing seat belts from 1995 January with the CL500DI model and the MM540 550 DP model. But we were not used to using seat belts that time, so nobody used it at that time, and we all removed it and threw it away. But now with the recent introduction of AI cameras, we are forced to wear the seat belt. Actually, we should not be forced. It is our decision. We should wear the seat belt for our own safety. So let us all fix seat belts on our Jeeps and other old cars. So a lot of people ask me which seat belt we can fix in our Jeep. There are so many aftermarket options because it is a standard product, but what I understood is that most of the aftermarket products are not up to the par. The quality is not up to the mark. So there is a very good option. We can always buy Mahindra genuine part. The seat belts for the Mahindra CL500 or any other model is still available, because the static type of seat belt that came for the Mahindra CL500 is still used by Mahindra on Mahindra Jeeto and Mahindra Bolero Camber models. The Mahindra Major and also the Thar CRDE, the Thar DI, they got the ELR type seat belt or the emergency locking retractor type seat belts, which we see on almost all the cars in production now. We can fix both types on any of the old Jeeps, provided you have the center pipe of the roll cage. All the Jeeps manufactured by Mahindra after 1995 have the provision to fix the seat belts on them. Until and unless if you have for example, if you have modified those roll cages, then you might have lost those provisions to fix the seat belts. But it is very easy to fabricate the necessary parts to fix a seat belt on the Jeep. I will show you what all things are required and how it can be fixed. Also, I will share the part numbers of both the type of seat belts, the static type and the ELR type, in the description. So let us check the video. Ours is a 1995 model Jeep, so the provision to fix the seat belt was already there. In fact, this vehicle had the seat belt from factory. We removed it long ago. So we bought the brand new seat belt from Mahindra. It's a Mahindra genuine part and it is a direct fit. All you need to do is just to tighten the bolts onto the provisions given. So this one is a static type of seat belt. If you want to fix an ELR type or the retracting type of seat belt, you need to do a small modification. All you have to do is you need to weld a plate around at this location on the center pipe to fix the retractor module with the provision to fix it. In that case, you can purchase the retracting type seat belt that come for the Mahindra Thar CRDE, and you can fix it on all the old Jeeps that have the center pipe. And regards to the buckles are over here. The buckles you have to secure on the platform at the rear. I haven't drilled the holes yet. Actually, from the factory there was provision to fix it, but as we replace it up, once it got rusted, now the provision is no longer there. All I need to do is to drill 2 holes and tighten the bolt and nut, and the buckle is ready. That's all you need to do. So basically, if you have the provisions, then it is actually a very simple job. You can do it on your own at home. If not, to fabricate these provisions to fix the seat belt, you will need the help of a lathe machinist and a welder, and it is a few hours job. I hope this video was informative for you, and thanks for watching Bose Garage. Drive safe, wear your seat belts, stay safe. See you soon with another video.